Hello, welcome to Susan Best and Susan's Kitchen. Guys, this is how we make our easy and fast breakfast. So this food, you can give it to your child to school, to kindergarten, and you can also eat it at home. It's very easy to make, and guys, just see how I made it. We're going to be needing Irish potato for this recipe and our carrots. Yes, I used two potato, so it depends on the quantity you want to make. So I used 2 potato and 1 carrot, but when I was doing it this way, I cut my carrot into 2, so but it's 1 big carrot I used. Then I use half onions. Yeah, so guys, like you know, when you're making your food, you can use the quantity you want. It depends on your taste. Okay, I use half onions for this recipe. I would have loved it more with red onion, but I was not having red onion, so I decided to use this white one. So now we'll put everything in our clean bowl. We had everything that we've chopped. We had everything together, and you put like 2 or 3 teaspoons of flour. Here is my black pepper. Yes, I like eating pepper, but if you don't like it, you can add very little black pepper. So pepper and salt and my 3 eggs. So I put the 3 raw eggs. These eggs, they are medium size, not large, not too small. So this is what I use. So I'm going to give it a good mixture. So after I've done with my mixture, I'll just add a little bit of green onions. Yes guys, green onions, or you call it scallion. So I add it to it to just make it, you know, this green onions, this way it makes your food smell. It's so perfect. So I make most of my food with, like, I always add green onions to it. So I just oil my pan very little. You can either use any of your oil of your choice, or you can use butter. So this is the olive oil I'm using. And sorry guys if you're hearing noise in my background, that's because my kids are around and they are just like kind of, you know kids stuff now, you can't stop them from talking, so sorry about that. So you spread it on your pan and allow it to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes before you turn it. So guys, just simple as this is ready, like just like this. It tastes so good, and believe you me, I will be making more of it because my family, they just can't stop like eating it. It's very fast to make, like within 20 minutes guys, this food is done. So that's why when you're giving it, for example, to your child to school, you can easily make it. You know, we all know that most kids like something made fried this way and also made with eggs. So alright guys, I hope to see you in our next video. Thank you so much, and bye for now.